Hey there, it's Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas, everybody. Today is Christmas. And you know what? My present just arrived. My Christmas present is here. And we're gonna check it out. I got my Christmas present, guys. And this is something big. Yes, it's something huge. It's the biggest box ever on Big Field TV. Oh, this is huge. Yeah, I'm super excited for this, guys, because this is something I've wanted for a very long time right now. It's an electric scooter. I know. And I would say this is the best Christmas present right here because I'm a huge fan of scooters. I love riding around. It's cool. It's fun. You know, having breeze, the nice air blowing on you. It's amazing. So I'm a huge fan of scooters, and I've stepped it up to the electric scooter. And this is a very good electric scooter. You know what? Let me stop talking and let's check it out. Let's open it up. Super excited. Gonna cut it up. There we go. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I've wanted an electric scooter for a very long time now. It has been on my mind, and I've been looking around for the best one, and I think I found it. Now, before I take it out, this is from the company Segway. Everybody knows about Segway. They've been making scooters for so many years. They make a lot of different types of scooters. But this, I would say this is definitely something I like. What do we have in the box? This should be the screw. We got a screw right here. Whatever do we have? And this is, okay, the top part, the handlebar is right here. Let's see. All right, I'm super excited. All right, what do we got in here? I'm doing a video on the roadside today. We got a charger. Yeah, we got the charger right here. The charging brick. And this is it, guys. Oh, let me take it out. Wow, it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. All right. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, this is it. Very nice color too, red and black. As you can see, my car at the back is also red and black. I'm a huge fan of red and black. I believe this should go in here. So yeah, that's it. All right, what else do we have in here? We have some more cables. Yeah, more cables. And yeah, I believe that's it. That's everything that comes in this huge box. All right, the scooter. First of all, this thing is big. All right. You see right here, when I hold it, it's gonna be somewhere around here. So I could grab it like this. Quite a nice height. And this is from Segway, as I mentioned earlier. This is called the 9-bot Segway 9-bot D38U. And beautiful color, man. Red and black. Yeah. All right, for now, let me tie up the screws. I have some 2 screws here. I got to tie up all the screws and also charge it a little bit. Then we will go on a ride. All right, close up. Let me take you guys on a little tour of the scooter. Right here, this is a little LED screen. Right here, when you turn it on, you can have things like the battery percentage, the speeds, the different driving modes. You can see everything here. Then at the front, we have 1 LED lights. There you go. I believe it's very bright. If we move downward, we got a reflector. Then the wheels, the tires are big, 10 inches, guys. These are 10 inches wheels, and it's inflated, so you can add air in it, which is nice. It helps, it gives you a nice balance, even when you're going through bumps and rough roads. Yeah, you have a better, nice ride. Then here, this is where you fold the scooter. You can fold it. I will always have this in the back of my car. Like I'm gonna be using it everywhere. Then The board right here is quite big. Here, and we have another reflector right here. The back wheels also. Now, this has two brakes, but the front brakes is electric. It has an electric brake in the front, which means you can do regenerative. So when you're slowing down, the scooter can gain some energy and put it back in the battery. The same thing like my car. My car is hybrid. So when I'm going down here or when I'm braking, it regenerates energy, put it back in the battery. Then at the back, we have the brake slide, which I heard is very bright. I have to try it out or check it out later. And here we have another brakes. The brake at the back is a drum brake right here at the back. So you can adjust it, can adjust the strength, or you weaken it a little bit. Another reflector right here. All right, this way we have the kickstand. So you can put it like this. And this is a charging port. Yeah, right here. That's a charging port right here. Yeah, you can close it. Because this skateboard, this scooter is IPX5 water ready. So you could use it when it rains, or you could wash it, a splash of water, you got nothing to worry about. We got a bell, a handbrake. This brake is for the back wheel, the rear wheel here. Then this is the accelerator, the throttle right here. Yep. Yeah, guys, that is it. Now let me charge it up a little bit, then install the application. There's an app, a Segway app that I have to download to customize and pair up everything. Then we're gonna ride. All right, we're gonna do a ride right now. Today is Christmas, guys, but this right here is the best gift. I'm very happy for this. All right, guys, right now the scooter is paired up to my smartphone. It's very simple. The pairing process is very simple. You just have to download the app, which is called Segway 9bot. Once you download the app is available for Android and iOS. And pairing it is very simple. Then you have to activate all the full speed. And now I'm ready to go scootering. Let's do it. Uh, all right. Oh, it feels amazing. It has three different modes. There is the eco mode, which is like the first gear. There is the D mode, which is like a normal drive. Then there is the S mode, which stands for the sport mode. Oh, it's quite good. All right now I'm gonna try to climb this hill. There's a hill right here. Let's see if I can climb it better. All right, all right, it's climbing the hill. Right now it's on D mode, and it's climbing the hill quite good. Yeah. Oh, this thing is fun, man. All right, going down here. It also has a regenerative mode, so you can regain energy when you're going down here or when you're braking. You regain energy and put it back into the battery. So, and you can set it. There are three different modes of regeneration. There is the weak, there is medium, and there's strong. Right now, I'm using medium, the medium mode. I Yeah, it's really fast. And actually, I'm still riding on the normal mode. All right, guys, right now I've switched over to the sport mode. Let's see how fast you can climb this hill. All right. Oh, the sport mode is better. Ooh, it's fast. Oh, and the sport mode is climbs the hills much quicker than in the D mode. But remember, the sport mode is going to drain the battery. So if you have it on the sport mode, it's going to drain the battery much faster than when it's in the D mode. So if you're riding in the city, you're just doing a normal riding in the city, I think the D mode is enough. But if you want to save battery, than the eco mode. Well, right now, this riding on this grass is a bit bumpy because the scooter has no suspension. So as I'm riding right here, it's quite, I mean, it's very, very uncomfortable. But with the 10 inches wheels, it's quite okay. But I don't think this is a great scooter to ride on a bumpy and rough terrain. Yeah, it's quite difficult. It's quite bumpy. Damn. It's a very fun scooter, but not great for rough environment. But it's really fun. I like it. So right now the battery is finished. And when the battery runs down, there is one good thing about it. You could ride it as a normal scooter. You could just do this like a normal scooter because there's no more battery. Right now the battery is all gone. I need to charge it for at least 6 to 7 hours to get it full. I've been having so much fun with this scooter on a Christmas day. It's really great stuff. I like it. And I'm happy that finally I did because I've wanted an electric scooter for a very long time now. Finally I got it. So I'm very excited and happy that I got this right here. I'll be using this a lot around the city and probably take it to work. If I don't want to ride my car or I don't want to drive my car, I could just use this and ride it to work. 38 kilometers on a single charge. I think it's good. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you into the next one. Peace.